You're gonna be on red. Like everybody else, even the shorties. Right leg at the top, left leg at the bottom. Stomach is in, your toes are not sticking out, your head is up, and you're supporting the base of your neck. Open your elbows, you're not pulling it, you're not squeezing a pimple. Good, nice. And left leg can go down a little bit more, yes. Left leg can go down more, yes. So go past the heel of the opposite foot. And let's go! Good. No, it's a small movement, it's steep. Yeah. And push, and change, yes. Only one foot is up. This one has to be down. The top one is down. No, the heel is down. Yes, one heel is up only. Jump, change legs. Yes, yes. Beautiful. Keep your legs above your hip bones. Yes. And look at your feet. Don't look at the ceiling. Follow the line of your spine. Yes, and close your carriage completely. Dry and close. And keep those legs the distance of your hip bones. No, that's too narrow. Open them up. Yes. No white crosses. Keep them parallel. No turnout. No turnout. We're skiing. I've never seen skiing and, well, race. That's it. That's what sounded good. Race skiing. Yes. Good. Make sure your legs are solid. Make sure those legs are solid. Your head is still up. And relax. Oh my God. Oh, how does that feel?
Good.
Nice. Now guys, let's sit up and put a blue. As a blue before you remove anything, we're always adding because we're positive people. We add, we've got a blue. Now the people that are tall, oh my God, you're going to find